Okay guys, welcome back to College to 25, and today I present to you the first part of The Way Out. Now I'm going to walk you through the whole game no matter what, because this is a beast of a game. Now remember to request walkthroughs of other games, so just look up the EA Access list of games and you can request game walkthroughs in the comment section below. So I beat this game with my brother while he sat next to me, and it was very fun, and I want to share my experiences with you. So a Battlefield 5 walkthrough is on its way, and let me know if you want me to do a Battlefield 1 walkthrough. And that's all for the intro. Enjoy.
Hey, Vincent, what's your plan after this?
I don't know. Haven't really thought about it.
You haven't thought about it? That must be a first for you, Mr. Overthinker.
There's a difference between overthinking things and being smart, Leo.
Are you implying that I'm not smart?
Your words, not mine.
Hey, I might not be smart in your book, but I do get shit done.
Can't argue with that.
Transport coming through. Open the gates. Gates opening. Close the gates.
Get off the bus!
Keep it up, boys. We don't have all day. Move your asses inside.
Move it, maggots. Get inside.
Shit, dude. That fight out there was brutal. I could hear bones crack.
Prison life, man.
I guess you're right, but people fight in here every
You're
damn
up.
day.
Get in there.
It's way too crazy in this joint.
Sleep, eat, fight. I'm afraid you'll have to get used to it.
Oh man, I can't get used to that. I can't even fight.
You better learn fast then.
Oh boy, I'm a dead man.
Hey, what's up with you?
Having the best day of my life, man. I'm telling you, best day ever.
Why's that?
Well, I got beat up, all my shit got stolen, and my parole got denied.
Sucks to be you. Makes my day look great.
Man, thanks for your support, asshole.
Anytime.
Arms up, stand still. You're clear.
Isn't this enough? Hey, guard. Sure, take all the time you need. Fucking asshole.
You two, break it up, now.
Harvey sends his guards.
Fuck you and him.
My name is Williams, and this is my prison. Any questions?
Yeah. When are we allowed visitors in here?
Any other questions? Good. Welcome to your new home. We're done here.
You heard it, man. Move out. We don't have all day. Go, 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 go!
Come on, get up the stairs.
Not your floor.
Keep going, butt cheeks.
What's up with you?
Let's go. Get in your cell.
What the hell is that?
Get dressed. It'll set you free.
Oh, yeah? You don't look free to me, man.
I'm free, man.
Close up
You don't
49.
get it until you try. You want me to show you how?
Nah.
Took you long enough.
Not my thing. Good luck with your freedom in there.
Peace, man. Hey, Leo.
So,
Looks like you got yourself a new neighbor.
who is it?
I don't know, man. Some white guy.
Thanks for the update.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's go! Inside!
Hey, relax.
I said do it! Go!
Hey, take it easy, man. What's wrong with...
Close up cell 48.
Hey, Leo,
What?
someone wants to talk to you.
Yeah? Who?
I don't know, man. He's over there. That's all I know.
Good job. Let's get that pump. Five.
That could have gone better.
How many has this guy done?
10, but his record's 19.
That's it?
It's way tougher than it looks, man. Why don't you give it a try, smartass?
Sure, I can do that.
Go on then. I'm waiting.
Hey, you don't tell me when to do it. I'll do it when I want to.
What's the matter?
All right, sure. I don't care. Go whenever you like.
They took the damn ball again.
Who did?
The pain in the ass guards. Who else?
Why don't you ask them to give it back?
We got a new fish here. Yeah, we do.
Have you tried?
Okay, listen. Why don't you come back to us in a couple of weeks when you really understand how the guards run this place?
So, first day at school?
First day at this school. I've been to other schools.
I bet you have. Take a look around. If you see any ladies, let me know.
I'll let you know the second I see one.
Hey, that's mighty neighborly of you.
I'm a neighborly kind of guy.
I'm a beast.
Hey, what you looking at, white boy?
Yeah, you done cruised up in the wrong neighborhood now, cracker.
Sorry, I thought I'd recognize you from Folsom.
Well, you thought fucking wrong, motherfucker.
Right. It won't happen again.
Better not.
Hey! Let me go!
There you are. It's time to play.
What the fuck do you want?
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh? Fact is, he pays me really good to kill you. And I don't really like you. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yeah.
Get in there, new fish!
Hey, what the hell? What are you doing?
Come on! Go, Dragomir, kill him!
Huh?
Take him down!
You idiot. Come on, motherfucker!
Order! Break it up before I put you all in solitary. Go on!
You better watch your back.
You! Keep moving!
Stay the hell away from me, okay?
Here you go. Come on, I don't got all day.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Next.
How about you two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking?
No? I don't hear anyone.
Me neither.
Guys, don't fuck with me when I'm hungry, okay?
Ooh, we got a tough guy over here.
Sure looks like it.
All right. So what are you gonna do about it, gringo?
How about this?
Oh, hey, man, all right. Shit, man, relax, okay? Go. Fuck, eat.
Hey, where's the usual?
He's sick.
What happened to him? You eat this crap, you're swilling out.
How do you know it's crap? We haven't even tasted it.
Is that
That's
it?
the thing about
Yeah.
crap.
What do you think this
You don't
is?
have to
A
taste
goddamn
it.
restaurant?
You can smell it.
Hey, you, here I come, huh? Lay down, it's time to die. Here, take this.
I'll kill you!
Come closer. Let me carve you up.
Come on, scumbag.
Come on, come on. Where are you going? Now I'm at your corner.
Fuck you, man! I'm gonna cut
You
you!
run, but you can't hide.
Come on!
Come closer.
Gotta slow me
Let me
down.
carve you up.
You're gonna wish you'd never been
Come
born!
on, come on.
Fuck you,
Where
man!
you going?
I'm gonna cut you!
Slice him up.
Now I got you cornered. All right. Die!
Hey, grab him!
Come here, asshole!
Yeah, come on. Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on. Die! Huh? Huh? Come on, first! Come on!
What the fuck did you do? Take this!
Like this! No!
Damn it!